ओ ओ ओ आ ओ ये सब आगे लगी थी ये कमजोर हो आगे
Frustrated with himself there because he thinks he should have picked the gap, and that's been the case on a couple of occasions. Can't catch as far as Tony's concerned. Sure is over, isn't it? They're all stopping around, but the umpire's having a look. I think he has to apologise. Tom pulled into the ground. Right in the back. Fun?
कैसे लगा जे देखो क्या करती है क्या दवाई रखी जाएगी